What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Glo-Life with Zay. In the beginning, you know, that's a little bit of nighttime driving for y'all. Other than that, man, I'm like 20 minutes away from my destination. You know, the grind don't never stop, guys. But other than that, man, I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, y'all, I made it here. We made it safely and sound. I feel good because I'm in the right spot. I just checked in at the ship over here. This building right here, guys. But yeah, they said somebody gonna come next to me. Not next to me, but come to me. Then I'll be able to pull forward. See, shipping and receiving. Boom. In the right spot, guys. They already compliment my truck. They talking about it's a new truck. I'm like, yeah, and I did the washing. Well, other than that, man, I'll see y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all can see I'm empty. I'm gonna close that door in a hot minute. I put all my straps up on this side and that side. The boy is done, and I can get ready to go and book my next run. Look at that. Truck looking good, y'all. On that truck, why? The boy cold. Alright, y'all, I'm back, man. I just wasted like 2.5 hours, close to like 3 hours altogether. We couldn't find no load. Every load that we was booking, they was canceling those. But you know, I know for a spiritual reason why, because you know, I was just talking to two brothers that were spiritual. Just learned a lot of game, man. I just want y'all to know it, man. Like, the world is not what y'all think it is, man. He coming sooner than what y'all expect. So I just hope that you really right with God, spiritually. Don't get right because I just say get right with him. Get right with him for real. Other than that, man, I'm probably like 30 minutes away from my pickup. And I'll see y'all in a hot little minute. Get some shingles.
Yo, check out my man J. Lou on the beach, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all. I've been here for 53 minutes. It's kind of bad, but not too bad, but at least I'm here for my next pickup. I mean, picking up some shingles. I think roofing material, if I'm not mistaken. But with that being said, guys, I'm here. Hopefully I don't gotta wait 2 hours like that one brother did, but he just drove in probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. But other than that, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm getting soon. Alright, y'all. I've been on duty for 2 hours and 20 minutes. The boy finna get detention time, so I ain't complaining. I only got 2 hours and 47 minutes. But I've been on duty for 2 hours. Like, this place is a madhouse too, guys. Like, super madhouse. We all picking up shingles. And if they got like 30, 40 trucks coming in like this, like, why would y'all not have no more than like 100 people working? You feel me? Like, have some people working, guys. Like, look at this. Truck galore. Truck galore. Alright, y'all. I got my load. These are what shingles are. Roofing material that you see on people's houses. But you know, I'm finna hurry up and strap this down, because I ain't really got that much time to be lollygagging today. I wasted almost 6 hours just waiting for this load, guys. But other than that, I'll see y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all, your boy Tad, man. My neck hurting. Not my neck, my shoulder hurting. But man, your boy strapped the load down. Matter of fact, let me just take y'all out there so I can show y'all.
Yo, check out my man
y'all.
J Lou on the beach, you know what I'm saying?
Your boy strapped the load down. 2 straps for each one, separate the one in the middle. Gotta use those edge protectors right there. Color my edge protectors blue and red. Take y'all all the way around. I feel really, I rock with y'all. Y'all my peoples. But just like that. Boom, boom. I ran out, so I used the metal protectors. Metal. Red, see? The rest is red on this side. Everything red on this side. Just like that, guys. It's your boy Glo-Life Zay, aka Zay. Checking out with another. Peace, love, happiness. Make sure y'all put God first, man.